Welcome to our channel where we'll guide you through fixing Coinbase login errors easily and quickly without hassle. Welcome to our channel. If you're facing issues logging into your Coinbase account, don't worry because we've got you covered with a detailed step-by-step guide to resolve the login error quickly and efficiently. First, ensure that your internet connection is stable. A weak or intermittent connection can often cause login problems. Next, double-check that your username and password are entered correctly. Passwords are case-sensitive, so be mindful of uppercase and lowercase letters. If you're sure your credentials are correct but still can't log in, try resetting your password. Navigate to the Coinbase login page, click on Forgot Password, and follow the instructions sent to your registered email. If resetting the password doesn't work, clear your browser cache and cookies. Sometimes corrupted or outdated browser data can interfere with the login process. Alternatively, try accessing your account from a different browser or device to rule out browser-related issues. Make sure your Coinbase app is updated to the latest version if you're using a mobile device. Outdated apps can cause compatibility issues, leading to login errors. Additionally, check if Coinbase servers are experiencing downtime by visiting their status page or social media channels. Server outages might be the reason you can't log in. If none of the above steps solves your problem, try disabling any VPN or proxy you might be using, as these can sometimes conflict with Coinbase's security, blocking access. For enhanced security, Coinbase might ask for two-factor authentication, 2FA. Ensure your 2FA app or device time is synchronized correctly, as a time mismatch can prevent successful code entry. Last but not least, contact Coinbase support directly if your issue persists. They can provide personalized assistance and check if there are any holds or restrictions on your account. Following these steps carefully should help you overcome login errors on Coinbase swiftly, getting you back to managing your cryptocurrency without interruptions. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more helpful guides and updates on all things crypto and tech.